So I went to Papa's.
Papa's?
It's in Bandra. It's a 12-seater restaurant above Veronica's. You get whisked through Veronica's. You go up a super secret staircase on the side. You walk in, it's a whirlwind. You get a welcome shot, smiling faces, and then these 3 bites. The laddu, which is made of foie gras and quince fruit. I'm about to have my first bite right now. And it's so good. The buttery in the... but see, someone interrupts me, dude. It's insane. But this bibinka was delicious. It's black truffle, celeriac. I normally hate bibinka, but this was so rich and truffly. But this was the best. This is Mawa Khaja. This is made with Brunost, which is a special Norwegian cheese, which is basically like burnt butter and honey and caviar on top. So it's got a salty kick. Then we have the next course. The samosa. This samosa made with tuna with chamomile jelly in it. It was so good. It's cold and delicious. Then we have the curry. This is another cold curry. This is with red snapper, grapefruit and raw mango. See the grapefruit? That's the colored pieces. The clear pieces are the fish. That blew my mind. Then we got the curd rice.
That leaf amazing.
That's a shiso leaf. So it's supposed to be a really crunchy, brittle thing which you can have, which adds a really nice crunch to the whole thing. You have to crunch it up over the curd rice. And really it's curd rice and pickle. There's a beetroot thing on top of it.
It looks unbelievable. This curd rice.
It was so nostalgic.
So
I
beautiful.
love curd rice and pickle, and somehow this is exactly what it was.
Wow.
It was a beautiful dish.
That's the chef.
That's Chef Hussain. He's preparing this with his 2 other chefs.
Thank you, Chef Hussain.
This is soup, dude. It's a vegetable soup. Very delicious. The point of this dish was to kind of hero Indian produce and ingredients.
Oof, beautiful.
And as my drink, that's the same pickle juice shot from before.
That's a pickle drink.
And that's Chef Hussain again. He's preparing...
What is that?
Bugs Bunny, dude. This is a rabbit paida roti with red ants on top.
That's red ants?
You can see my face looking a little bit worried, but oh my god, delicious.
Wow.
Finger licking good with their own in-house ketchup. I even had the red ants as mukbang. This is me saying this is the most bougie, delectable paida roti I've had. Telling Madhu, Madhu is great.
Damn, they're working hard, dog.
They're working hard.
What is next?
Next is Kuttu Parota, dude.
Kuttu Paratha.
Yes. This is prepared with cuttlefish, mud
What?
crab, and you have salna curry.
Oh my god, that's so South
Look
Indian.
at that, dude.
This is beautiful South Indian.
Yeah, it's an amazing mix of like Bori cuisine, South Indian cuisine.
Damn.
Because a lot of the team at Papa's are actually from South India, and you can just see my face. I'm loving it.
Reactions are accurate.
I don't need to
That's
tell you how
amazing.
good this was. Delicious seafood and curry, amazing.
Yo, what's he cutting up right now?
Gonna see the light. Love is the answer.
This is an ode to Ayaz Kebab Shop, and it's
Oh my god.
aptly called kebab. It's kebab and chutney, the coriander chutney and an egg yolk. Delicious,
Wow.
dude. Delicious. You're chomping on that, and before you even know it, you get an
Gives
extra
you one
piece.
more. Let's go.
Extra piece.
Let's
First,
go,
you can see
man.
either first class. Then, this is great. This contraption actually has
contraption.
a chunk of watermelon ice on it. Everyone gets to try it. It's
Oh,
watermelon
right.
and feta salad. That's a smear of feta
Smear?
cheese with black sesame seeds. And
Oh,
it's so good.
drink it.
Yeah,
Because
the
it's
watermelon
watermelon
melts.
ice
Yeah.
shavings.
Oh man.
Dude, the presentation is next level.
This
Look
is
at-
the
what is this?
lamb nihari pie. Just look at it, man.
That's
it's
gorgeous.
a beauty. Lip smacking, beautiful curry. You got a crunchy bite on top. Beautiful pastry with the meat, and it's just it's flaky and buttery and like thick. I went to heaven, dude, having this. Wow. Now we're at our final savory course. Now you've seen it's all these really nostalgic dishes. What do you think the final course is?
I don't know. I mean, the way they've been presenting all this stuff, it could be anything. What is that? What meat is
That's
that?
me, dude. Hey, that's me.
Yo!
That's me having crunchy duck.
Give you a little crunchy duck.
Yeah, dry aged duck that he's going to prepare with our final course.
Holding hands with
it matter?
That's the dish.
That's
dude.
the dish? What is
That's
it?
biryani in the style of paella.
That's biryani.
So it's
like
got
paella,
a crusty outside, but it's delicious, flavorful
drink.
rice.
What is it?
That is the house-made cola, dude. Because you gotta
You
have
made the
biryani
cola?
and coke, dude.
No way, you gotta make biryani and coke.
As-
Duck, dry aged duck.
Rice, duck,
Biryani.
and
What
biryani
is that
rice.
white stuff?
What the duck? That's
What the
horseradish.
Amazing.
A beautiful meat, almost buttery rice.
Damn. How was the housemaid coke? Or actually coke?
It was really good, actually. It was
Damn,
super
bro.
light and flavor. Like everything is so flavorful. It just sounds so like repetitive, but my god.
Esto que me pasa muy fuerte. Digo cada vez que te veo. Y no es que yo crea en la
This was fun. This was a lot of fun. You gotta open the box.
Oh.
You get a little fortune, which was not accurate at all. This is the ice cream sandwich with blue cheese and fig. I didn't like it so much, dude. Let's move on. We move on to what I really enjoyed.
This is the real
This
one.
is the dessert, dude. Look
What
at
is
that.
that? It's honey chips. Honey noodles.
It's not. Oh, it is, but with an amazing twist. What you're seeing now is them preparing not honey noodles, but potato chips.
What?
Potato chips with lemon sorbet. Dude, you can see me. I go, whoa! Oh, wow. That bite blew my mind. You crunch it up in the ice cream and you have it. It's delicious.
They knew you somehow. They knew exactly what
That's
you
the
wanted.
thing. How did they do
that?
There's no way they could have made this experience so personal and attuned to me or like catered to me. But that's what every dish felt like. From the curd rice to the kotu paratha to the even the lamb nihari pie, and then the
Right.
honey noodles at the end, the potato chip honey noodles. Who
Yeah.
even thinks of that? All of that
That's genius.
was just amazing, and it made it's so funny how I think it's so attuned to me, but it's actually attuned to Chef Hussain and the team.
Right.
All the dishes
It's
were
his tradition and
dishes that they grew up eating. Even from the 3 bites in the beginning, that's inspired by the Bori Thal, which Chef Hussain
Right.
grew up eating. So you always started with sweets. So he took 3 sweets and he turned it into these amazing
Yeah,
savory
man.
versions of themselves.
Laddu, bebinka, mawa khaja.
Truffle bebinka, my
Dude,
God.
that's unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
So Tane, you went to Papa's.